Hi, quick tutorial on the 3 platforms that we'll be using for our class: Moodle, YouTube, and Trunity for our textbook. All right, you type in KIS Moodle and then accept that link, which takes you to Moodle. You will get logged in, then your child selects the science class that they're in. I'm going to go ahead and select 13s as an example. Once we're here, there are tabs for your child to select from. 13s will have 10 tabs, 12 will have 10 tabs, and 11 will have 5. On the course overview, we have some important information. Let me select that one. And here I have a snippet of the schedule so that children have a quick location point. I also have 2 links here that take us to the remaining 2 platforms that we'll go to in a moment about the textbook on Trunity and the YouTube channel. Once they're here, your child will select whatever tab for the unit we're currently working on. 13s at this taping point are working on EU2. This is where your child locates their homework. It is always posted by the weekend for the upcoming week. Here you can see it's identified for the week of, and it tells your child what we're doing in class as well as for homework. It also has supplemental suggested videos. I highly recommend students to watch these. It helps to connect the concepts to what we're learning. And if your child is working on the English language, videos are excellent to help fill in those gaps. And they have a better chance of understanding what we're working on, because sometimes the terminology we're using can be a little tricky. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move on to, wrong one. We're going to move on to YouTube. And YouTube is where I upload various videos. Sometimes I'll send a homework video home to kids, reminding them and showing them pictures of the books to bring and what material needs to be completed. When we're online 100%, then I will also use YouTube to videotape answers to homework and give lengthy explanations, so that if your child is struggling to understand something, they can re-watch the video multiple times in order to better grasp a concept. And of course, they and I will always be able to Zoom additional times as well. So there is a 13s, 12s, and 11s playlist. Okay, and then when we take a look at the textbook, that's this link here, your child will log in to the Trunity website. Once they're there, they're going to select the book for which they're working on. Depending upon what grade level your child is in, they will select that one. Oof, got blurry, sorry about that. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead again and continue with 13s. 13s would select whatever book we're working on. For example, this would be their book. I tell them to make sure that this picture matches their book cover. Their tests are in the lower left corner, and it will always tell them the unit number and how many questions within how many minutes they need to answer. Okay, so that's how we use the 3 platforms as we walk ourselves through science this year, and hopefully everybody has a great time learning science, and I can make it a fun topic of learning. Thank you.